Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Zoom for recurring meeting checklists, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Zoom for recurring meeting checklists, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the Zoom website. In the top right corner, click on Sign Up. It's free if you don't have an account yet. If you already have an account, click Sign In and enter your credentials. Once you are logged in, look for the My Account option on the left side of the page. Click on My Account to access your account settings. Now, locate the Meetings tab on the left sidebar. Click on Meetings to view your scheduled meetings. To create a new recurring meeting, click on the Schedule a Meeting button at the top right. Fill in the meeting details such as topic, description, and time zone. Under the Recurring Meeting option, check the box to enable it. Choose the recurrence setting that fits your needs, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Specify the duration of the meeting and select start and end dates if necessary. Scroll down to the Meeting Options section to adjust additional settings. Once all details are filled out, click the Save button at the bottom. Your recurring meeting will now be created and listed under the Meetings tab. To access the checklist for recurring meetings, navigate back to your Meetings page. Find your newly created recurring meeting and click on it. Here, you can review or edit the meeting details as necessary. Now, you have successfully registered for a recurring meeting checklist on Zoom. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate, and if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.